I found this amazing. I thought I would make a quick one. Basically what I was doing was just learning how to use Ubuntu, and so I thought, well, I'll go through, I'll make it like, one of the main operating systems that I'll use just to get familiar with the platform. So that led me to just do some quick research, like basically is which one's more secure? Led me to how do I install things on Ubuntu. Now, ran it through ChatGPT, and I was able to use it with some coding language. Again, complete noob, don't know anything in this in that respect, but my main issue I have with coding is why am I actually asking it to do this? What does it mean, and how do I use it? So I guess you could compare it to something like quantum theory. It's like, okay, so you can solve something. How do you actually use it in real life? Is it just a hypothetical theory? Is it just a, it's a math equation, but you can never actually use it because some things are impossible to achieve. So what I did, I got stuck. I tried to install Google Chrome and I couldn't install it because the first thing that I did was go to online YouTube videos. Basically, it brought me to here, how to install Google Chrome, and dude did a pretty good job. But basically, the screenshot, right? Not sure if this will come through. Couldn't really read this one particular word. It was kind of blurry. So what it was a, I can't see it, -t, and so I was trying to run the code with -t, and I'm like, okay, so -t is targeting it, whatever. It was actually -i. So the only reason I understood this was because I went to ChatGPT and I was able to work with and ask, what am I actually doing here? Why is it wrong? It spat out this answer, which was very useful. So maybe if you're doing things like this, you might be able to use this to help you. I'm not sure. So I went through, why is the two different operating systems, how they're different in a very, very general way. Basically, one is more secure than the other, as per ChatGPT. It gives some reasons why, things like that. So then I asked, like, what am I actually doing here? What does this command line mean? I put sudo dpkg /t because that's what I thought I was doing. Then the command sudo dpg /t is used to manage the Debian packages installed on the system. The -t option is used to specify the target architecture of the package, which can be used to filter packages based on the CPU architecture. When used with dpkg command, it allows. So the whole time I'm thinking, oh, okay, yep, I'm doing the right thing here. It allows the user to install, remove, or manage packages on their Ubuntu system. The sudo part of the command is used to execute it with administrative privileges, which is required for certain actions, such as installing or removing packages. I was like, okay, so why am I getting this error? Error T when using Ubuntu, how to fix it? Was my question. It explained after explaining that the error T is not specific enough to determine the issue without additional context or information. Can you please provide more details to the error? So, okay, that is really useful. So this is my brain trying to think. It said, okay, well, I'm trying to install, where is it? Trying to install, this, and it then explains, okay, this is what was fascinating. This was what helped me. So this is why I'm making this video. Maybe it can help someone out there if they're trying to install Google Chrome on Ubuntu. So the error message you are getting may depend on a few factors, but one possibility is that you're using the wrong command to install Google Chrome package. Here's a step that goes on to explain the step-by-step guide to installing Google Chrome on Ubuntu using the command line. Download Google Chrome package from Ubuntu from the official website. Make sure you download the correct version of your system, all that. 32, 64. Open a terminal window in Ubuntu. Navigate to the directory using the cd command. Yeah, use the following command to install the Google Chrome package. And this is where I realized it was -I. I'm like, hang on, what -I? And I'm like, okay, -install. Target. So note the command should include the full name of the package, including the architecture. So it finds the name of the file or .deb, and yeah, you install it. That's how you run the command. Ask for the password, wait for the installation to complete. Once complete, you should be able to launch Google Chrome from the applications menu. If you're still encountering error message, please provide more details on the error. So this is why I found this fascinating. It was able to, with a better question, diagnose what was going wrong with my error command. It's not that it just knew what the error command was, because it's very frustrating when you have people and they try to ask what's wrong, but they don't actually provide enough context, which makes it very hard to diagnose what the actual problem is. This is why I'm so impressed with ChatGPT in the way that it did this, because yeah, it was able to solve my problem very efficiently, a lot more efficiently than, imagine trying to talk to someone over the phone doing this. It would be a nightmare. Like, have you tried to reset your computer? Meanwhile, you ask some better questions, maybe you get some better answers. Alright, that is about it. That's all I've got. Haven't really heard any updates on the whole crypto bill, so just gotta see if I find out more, provide some more updates. But yeah, basically what I'm doing now, learning some skill sets which I may need in the future. Things like how, maybe to run some command lines in Ubuntu, and what it is they're actually doing with the help of things like AI, which can then tell me why I'm doing it, what it does, and how to do it correctly. It's probably something worth knowing, I guess. So I'll see how far I can get with solar learning, AI, and some real world practice. And yeah, I'll keep you guys updated. All right, hopefully that helps someone. And if you want to install Google Chrome in Linux, make sure you use the install command. All right, signing out.